The Minister for Justice, Helen McEntee, recently confirmed that she's dropping plans to introduce hate speech laws. However, at the same time, she confirmed that she's pressing ahead with plans to introduce hate crime legislation before the next general election. Now, many people don't realise that this hate crime legislation is itself a very radical and dangerous and serious instrument. And that's because of a new definition of gender that's contained in the bill. Now, as of now, the current position in the country is that Irish law recognises two genders only. Any person, legally speaking, must be of the male or female gender. This is reflected, for example, in the Equal Status Act, which defines the phrase gender ground as, quote, that one is male and the other is female, unquote. The concept of the use of the pronoun they as the identifying pronoun for an individual has no basis in Irish law. That's the current position. But what this new hate crime bill proposes is a new definition of gender. It states that, quote, gender includes a gender other than those of male and female, unquote. It states that, quote, gender means the gender with which the person identifies, unquote. The text of this bill suggests not just that there is a third gender, but that there are many such genders other than male and female. If this bill is enacted, it would mark the first time in Irish history that the state has defined gender as indicating anything other than male and female. It would be an abandonment of Christian belief, and it would be a dark day for the country. And I would encourage you to actively oppose this legislation and to contact your local TDs and senators and ask them to come out and declare where they stand on this bill, and in particular in relation to this new definition of gender.